Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Stitches by Amy. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in this tutorial today, we'll be making the pattern we drafted in our last video. We'll be sewing up the pieces together for our sleeveless bustier blouse. So if you have not watched that video, kindly check my channel out to watch the tutorial so that you understand what we are going to do in this video. So I went ahead to cut out my fabric. I placed my pattern on my fabric and I cut out my fabric and my lining. I didn't want to line this material at first, but I thought it would be necessary because vintage material is so lightweight. So I wanted it to be a little bit thick, so I had to line it. So first I'm going to go ahead and join my center back like so together. So I'll be joining my center back with the allowance I left while cutting it on my fabric. So you do the same thing on your fabric. So when I'm done joining the center back like so, I'll go ahead and attach my side back. So these are my side back pieces. I'm going to join it to the center back. I will join it fabric to fabric and lining to lining. Please note, on the center front, my lining pieces is the same as the main fabric. You know, I'm using black lining to make this dress, so the lining pieces of the center front is the same fabric that I'm using to sew the blouse. So in case you see it, don't be confused when I'm joining. You can do the same thing for yours. You can choose to line it with the black fabric or with your fabric lining fabric. So this is my side back. I'll be joining the pieces like so. Ensure you sew on your seam allowance. And while making this dress, if you don't want your dress to be so tight on you, like the one on the thumbnail of the previous video, you will have to add some amount of ease to your fabric, to your pieces while cutting them out. So I wanted mine to be huggy, so I didn't add any amount of ease. I even had to snatch my waist as well, because when I'm wearing this dress, I'll be using a girdle. So I'll do the same thing for the other side, and I'll join the lining pieces as well. Please, like I said, lining to lining, fabric to fabric. I'll place a notch on the waistline. I'll notch anywhere that is curved. So I went ahead to give my pieces a very good press, as you can see in the video. So after joining your back pieces, you joined your front pieces together as well in the same way, but you will not close your center front. Please don't close your center front. So I went ahead to attach a piece of stay, like a stay, at the center front so as to give it a little bit of strength. You know, I'll be piercing that up to add my pressing button, or you can choose to do buttonholes in your own. So when you're done, you're going to join the front and the back pieces together on the shoulder as shown in the video. Join it at the shoulder, join the lining fabric as well at the shoulder. So when you're done joining it at the shoulder for both the lining and the main fabric, you're going to match your main fabric and your lining right side to right side and pin it at the armhole at the hemline and at the neckline up till the center front. Ensure that all your seams align. When you're done pinning both the main fabric and the lining piece together, you're going to sew it all the way around. So for me, I added hemming gum as I sew, but I did not add hemming gum at the neckline. I only added hemming gum at the hemline and at the armhole. Then when I'm pinning my hemline, I'll make sure that the lining piece is about 1/4 inch longer than the main fabric. Okay, I don't want my lining piece to pop out after turning everything or after ironing everything, so I ensure that my lining piece is a little bit longer than the main fabric. So I'm going to go ahead and join it starting from the hemline like so. I added my hemming gum. I'm going to join it all the way around. So when I'm done joining it, I'm going to dip my hand into the fabric like so from the side, and then bring out one part of the front, and then I'll dip my hand at the other side and bring out the remaining part of the front. Ensure you notch all sharp points, all curvy areas like the armhole and the neckline, and then notch every corner, every sharp point that you have, so that you will have a clean finish. So here is my center front. Here is where I'm going to pierce for my pressing button of fastener. I don't know if that's how it's called. You can choose to go ahead and make buttonholes and add buttons to your own. So I'm going to dip my hand in the other part of the blouse and bring out the remaining front piece through the shoulder, okay? So when I'm done, I'm going to give this dress a very good press. Give it a good press and be careful while pressing. You know you have hemming gum all over, so be careful while pressing. Arrange your fabric well and give it a very nice press. So when I'm done pressing, I'm going to close it at the side with 1 inch that I left. So here is when I am done ironing. Okay, I run a stitch all the way down at one part of the center front. I'm going to go ahead and overlock the side here. And also don't forget to notch your waist so that it will relax. If you have watched to this point, I want to appreciate you. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, like this video, share it to your friends and family. Thank you so much for your time. Do not forget to hit on the like button. This will encourage me a lot, and this is what it looks like with the trouser that I made. Thank you so much guys for watching up till this point. God bless you. Bye.